Hi, I'm Michael Dockter with the Louisville Apartment Association, here with Tom Francione of Flynn Brothers and EZ Street Asphalt.
Just want to say thank you for being part of their video series, and we appreciate it.
We're about to show Potholes who's boss. Let's do it.
We are going to take us all back to the basics on how to fill a pothole, and this one has water in it. You want to get out the loose debris and the heavy chunks and anything else like that. You don't need to actually remove the water out of the pothole, because EZ Street does work in water. It'll displace the water. EZ Street bonds to itself. It'll bond to surrounding concrete and asphalt, and it'll also displace the water. Just dump the EZ Street right into the pothole, fill it with water. Is leave yourself a crown above the surface, up to 1 inch. For that secondary road compaction. All you need is a truck tire, and you'll be able to drive right over it, and it'll be a guaranteed permanent repair. 1, 2, 3, sweep. Get the loose debris out of there. Fill. Fill with EZ Street. Again, crown above the surface, always, and compact. Whether it's a hand tamper, vibratory wheel roller, truck tire, this will be a guaranteed permanent repair. EZ Street, always workable, always stays in the hole, showing Potholes who's boss.